Theta United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at 92 cents, which certainly is genuinely critical. The in every way that really matters, current exchanging volume of Theta organization explicitly is at $7,770,552, which generally is very critical. Theta organization is by and by esteemed at 66 cents bull control Theta's exceptionally current cost activities, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. 01 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what truly is all things considered, transient cost expectation for Theta organization, certainly is Theta a very wise speculation. Or so they basically thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth in an especially large manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Theta specialized examination, essentially let us most certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,082,486,145,595, which truly is genuinely huge. The really absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $28,442,159,686, showing how the all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $28,442,159,686, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value diminishing of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time period, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 0.13 and presently exchanging at 52 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is very critical. These occasions generally show that the market sort of is going in a truly descending bearing for truly present moment, exhibiting what in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16%, or so they basically thought. Right now, a by and large broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing that the especially complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $28,442,159,686, exhibiting how the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense, remains at $28,442,159,686, or so they truly thought. Support especially is a level at which purchasers especially become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers truly become move kind of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in a quite huge manner. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, sort of is at 66 cents, up 1.94% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 5.07% over the course of the week in a truly significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,770,552.00 United States dollars, while sort of absolute market cap came to $658,985,193 United States dollars, or so they basically thought. There truly are just about 1 billion generally are available for use out of 1 billion, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 01 October 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, so one-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,770,552.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $658,985,193 United States dollars, which generally is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including exceptionally basic moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Theta organization, which truly is genuinely huge. The Theta United States dollar moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer for the most part, is showing a fundamentally present moment truly sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath truly signal line, which in every practical sense implies in a real sense bears in a real sense are ruling in the market in a really significant way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and especially is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time period, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value reduction of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta organization in every practical sense has especially break all its buy and large backings levels, and things basically are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, showing what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in a very huge manner. As of now, in a real sense bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Theta cost beneath the vital help level of 96 cents, so similarly, opposition all things considered is a level at which vendors really become move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in a significant manner. While Theta's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange really signal all things considered